Good morning. Today is Sunday, June 4th, and we are headed out to the lake today. It's just RJ, Gino, and I, and then hopefully Preston and Jordan will join us. We're out on the lake. RJ's over there pouting because his button stopped working on his selfie pole. There's Gino in his boat. My sunburn hurts, so I'm using my umbrella from my dad. There's the beach in downtown. Look at all the cotton on the water. We are currently under the pedestrian bridge. Gino, you're in the sunlight. RJ sunned himself. So pretty.
Yeah. So fucking hot.
Going up to 3 ducks. See that log there? See if I can load it. There they go. We've got all of our babies now. 1, 2, 3. And we're done. Oh, there goes the hot lake. It says 95 on the car. Preston, what happened to your toe?
This one. It's bleeding.
Oh, it is bleeding.
So fast.
So fast.
Stop. It's a long ways from your heart.
Turning signal, turning signal.
Want one of these?
The alcohol hurts your toe.
Yeah, it
You're gonna need an ace bandage.
does. You a rabbit?
Dad, I do it.
I'll do it, because I want to do it on right. What did you just say?
I said, ultra. Quit doing that. I'm doing the bad guy. Don't go faster. Ow, 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 ow.
All better.
Get shoes on. I have decided that I am going to make some BLTs.
Mommy, I'm feeling cool.
First we're gonna cook up all this bacon. RJ's outside. So I've just been sitting here paying bills and realized it's almost 10 o'clock, so I need to go to bed. So this daily vlog is over, and I hope you guys have a good evening or day whenever you're watching this. I hope it's awesome. Bye.